Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hasten here looking at this week's property market. I hope you all had a wonderful, safe and happy Easter holiday break. Now the big question this week, is the property slump over? Well, according to some of the biggest forecasting names in the game, they've all aligned and believe the bottom of the market is in. That is right. CoreLogic, SQM Research, PropTrack and RCL Capital Markets have all aligned and suggested the market has hit the turning point, suggesting housing finance, consumer sentiment, vendor discounting and overall positivity in transactions are all on the improve. Now, if this is in fact the case, that the market has bottomed out, that would mean this market downturn has lasted around 12 months. Now, the average over the last 40 years has been 18 months, so it's been a short and sharp downturn, and that Sydney property prices declined by 14% from peak to trough, according to CoreLogic data. Also this week, Westpac's Consumer Sentiment Index was up by 9.4% following the RBA's decision to leave the cash rate on hold. So that's a real positive, but looking at the overall scale on that longer term timeline, it's still reflecting that consumer sentiment is weak. Time to buy a dwelling, that's also surged up north of 8%, but on the overall scale there, that's 46% below when the market peaked in November 2020. But also reinforcing that consumers do believe property prices are improving. That's surged forward by 43% since the market bottomed out with the consumer survey in November last year. Also, Westpac do believe that the RBA likely lift the cash rate by 25 basis points when they do meet in May, citing that inflation for the March quarter is likely to come through between 6.5% and 7%, and also unemployment remains at 50-year lows. Now, here's a lesson for sellers looking forward into the future. Do not auction your property on the Easter holiday long weekend. Those that took their property to auction last Saturday saw a paltry clearance rate sitting at 33%. So avoid that weekend next year if you are looking to sell. But moving forward now, past the Easter holiday break, we've got some great properties coming to market. We're very excited, and that should be a good opportunity for many of the buyers that have been starved of opportunity over the last few months. So that's what's going down in and around the property market this week, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.